Let me ask you something. Have you ever woken up, stared at the ceiling, and thought, today is the day everything changes? You felt it, that electric urgency, that rare, terrifying clarity that whispers, if not now, when? And then, somehow, by 2 p.m., you're watching a video about raccoons stealing food and nothing has changed. Sound familiar? Yeah, me too. Here's what nobody tells you. That feeling you had in the morning, that wasn't weakness leaving your body, that was your brain's anterior mid-cingulate cortex lighting up, the part neuroscientists now associate with willpower and identity. Your brain was genuinely ready. So what went wrong? The problem isn't motivation. Motivation is a terrible contractor, shows up late, leaves early, and sends an invoice anyway. The real issue is that your brain defaults to the path of least resistance, not because you're lazy, but because it's efficient. It's doing exactly what billions of years of evolution designed it to do: conserve energy, avoid uncertainty, stay safe. Your ancestors didn't survive by reinventing themselves daily. But you're not running from predators anymore. You're running from your own potential. So how do you actually use one day to shift the trajectory of your life? Not by doing everything, by doing one undeniable thing. Psychologists call this a keystone habit, a single action that structurally collapses and rebuilds surrounding behaviors. Make your bed, and suddenly you're a person who finishes things. Go on a walk, and your mind starts solving problems it was pretending didn't exist. The action doesn't have to be dramatic, it has to be real. Think of your life like a tangled set of headphones. You don't pull every wire at once. You find the one loose end and start there. That's your day. Not a revolution, a single, honest pull. Because here's the truth your overthinking brain keeps hiding from you. You don't need a perfect plan. You need a moment of commitment that your future self can build on. So tell me in the comments, what's your one loose end? And if this hit something real for you, stick around. We're just getting started.